Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Look at that stunner, a Jdm Ep3 here for ECU Exchange and Map. So we'll get it up on the dyno and let's start tuning.
Ready. Jdm Ep3.
It's gorgeous, ain't it? I love it in white and the carbon fibre. I like carbon fibre, so the bonnet looks good for me.
Yeah, well, nice, real clean car to be fair. 125,000. I bet I couldn't do that.
Barely.
125,000, bang on.
That's bang on.
Absolutely bang on. But that'll be kilometres, by the way.
Will it?
Yeah, because it's a JDM one, isn't it?
Well, barely ran in though.
Yeah,
still.
barely running.
It's made good power.
What power did we finish on?
238 brake horsepower.
Nice, that's all right, isn't it?
Really nice.
Yeah.
And it's got a leaf eater.
So it's got a leaf eater, yeah. Yeah, so I think all round, generally a really nice car. I mean, obviously, generally low mileage, looks super clean. To be fair to it, well loved.
Gorgeous car.
Yeah, well loved and looked after. Yeah, done an ECU exchange and map. That's pretty much about all you can say there. It's got an exhaust on it of some description.
Yeah, it's got a 4-to. I've got a massive folder here of all of his modifications in it. I'm not going to read through them all, but it's got a Tegiwa 4-to-1 manifold on it for sure. It's got obviously your Group M ram air intake, the letterbox. What else has it got? It's had a load of servicing parts done, which is lovely. It's had some coilovers, some Bilstein coilovers. That won't help us for power. But yeah, it's a lovely car. It's a Fujitsubu.
There you go then.
A Fujitsubu. Yeah.
There you go then. Yeah, I think that's made really good power. I mean, to be fair, these make sort of 225 out of the box, don't they? So, yeah, a little bit more sort of everywhere and a dollop in the mid-range. We didn't run this car standard because we sort of sent the ECU away. So, ECU was away, get the board put in it, and then obviously we've then tuned once it's come back. So, we didn't run this car stock. So,
it's got a light and flywheel on it. Yeah, interesting. It's nice to see stacks and stacks of paperwork, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I'm just going to say and read through them.
I was just going to say,
we got anything to talk about?
No.
No, what a beautiful car and an absolute pleasure to work on it. Lovely young man. So hopefully he's going to come and get it tomorrow, which is the Honda meet. No,
Friday.
What day is it today then?
Thursday. It's Thursday.
So hopefully he's going to come and get it Saturday for the Honda meet, because I'd like people to see this one because it's nice. And we've got some other very nice things to show off as well Saturday, haven't we?
Yeah, we've got Supercharged EG. He's not coming until Saturday night to pick that up, so that should still be here. And the
Supercharged FN2.
Supercharged FN2 with the colour change will be here, so that's nice then.
Yeah, so look forward to those videos anyway.
Yeah.
Should
we look at that graph?
Let's look at the graph.
So there we go. That is a beautiful graph, and we've finished on 237 brake horsepower. I'll call that 238 for you guys. 205 at the wheels. An absolutely stunning car, beautiful car, and I think more to be had with more modifications. But yeah, as Richard said, a beautiful car, and yeah, what a pleasure. So thanks for stopping by and getting to the end of this video. Do like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Jeno?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.